Today is April 26, 2025. It's maybe around 6 p.m. now, maybe 6:30 p.m. I'm currently in Queens Bayside, and it's been raining heavy, and I'm trying to find a place to walk where there's no rain, water on the way. But as you guys can see, there's a lot of water. Whew. That's why I decided to wear sandals. Yeah, but it's so nice that it's raining, because if it's raining outside, it's very helpful for the people that have allergies, because right now is allergy season. Everyone's sneezing, stuffy nose and stuff like that. When it rains, it brings all the dust down, so it's clear and fresh air. See, so nice outside. I just wanted to take a walk and then take a video just to show how it's like when it's raining outside in Flushing, in Bayside, Queens. Almost no one is outside. I must be the only one who's walking in the rain. It's so gloomy outside. Springtime. It's a nice place, nice area, especially when it rains.